Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you earphone fix. What happens is that sometimes in your phone your volume goes suddenly up or it goes down, or sometimes even the Google Assistant opens automatically. So here is a fix how you can fix your earphone. So let's get started. Subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to get notifications about new videos. To fix your earphone, you need to scratch the lowest part of your earphone with some sharp object. As you can see here, I have got a knife to scratch the last part. You have to scratch the last part gently, or either you can also use sandpaper to scratch the earphone. 3.5 mm jack. Scratch is thoroughly. Okay guys, now you can see here, you can see the scratches in the bottom part of the 3.5 mm jack. Now it should work fine. So that's all. That's how you can fix your earphone. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.